Hello everyone, welcome to Abode Ideas. Today I am going to talk about those bathrooms where you can't make any civil changes. It can be your rented apartment or the ready flat which you have purchased and you don't want to spend money on unnecessary civil work. Or your existing bathroom which you want to revamp. Give it a new look. In my previous video, Small Bathroom Design, the details which I have discussed can be achieved if you are constructing or renovating the bathroom from scratch. But if you purchase a ready flat where you can't do changes or don't want to do changes, then what? Can't we make it beautiful? Of course we can. So let's see how we can make our existing bathroom beautiful and more functional. First, we should check the color of the tiles. Then, match the color of the storage material. It is always better to go with natural wood colors in the bathroom. And if you are not sure about it, then go for plain white. Natural wood colors create a warm effect. We can add colors with paintings, where one single color is dominating and other items like towels, etc. are taken of the same color. In this bathroom, the color of the paintings has been matched with the color of the tiles. This way, we can give a colorful or warm look to the bathroom. Now let's check the accessories for the bathroom. If the bathroom has this sort of bright color or monochromatic color scheme, then it is better to go for neutral accessories like this. On the other hand, if the bathroom is in neutral shade, then choose some bright color accessories to add color. If you are putting mats in the bathroom, then coordinate their color too. And don't ignore the bucket and mug. We often buy items for bathroom without giving it much thought. Please don't do that. Decide the color before buying the item. This simple step will make your bathroom look sorted and beautiful. Next we need to do is organize. We usually have bottles of different sizes and colors in the bathroom. We can buy bottles of these types and transfer shampoo, body wash, etc. into these. We can DIY with old shampoo bottles which are of same size, shape or color. Further, we can arrange the knickknacks in baskets. We can use metal, cane or fiber baskets. Cane and metal baskets will need our regular care because bathroom has lot of moisture. So cane may get fungal growth or metal baskets can become rusty. This sort of arrangement can be kept in the bathroom to add warmth. And of course, don't forget to add plants. Live or artificial plants, artificial flower, orchid stems can be kept to add color and freshness. Next on the list is lights. Proper lighting in the bathroom is very essential. In a ready bathroom or in rented house, usually you get one light on the ceiling and one above the mirror. Since we are talking about budget-friendly ideas, we can't do this sort of ambient lighting without false ceiling. Instead, we can put a track light or change from simple bulb to this type of ceiling lights. We can put battery-operated lights in the niches and shelves. LED strips can be put around the mirror apart from fixing a nice lamp above the mirror. The next item is mirror, without which a bathroom is incomplete. If mirror is selected properly and the area is utilized, then this can really make your bathroom beautiful. In a small bathroom, mirror can be utilized for storage. Ready-made mirror with storage is easily available in the market. Just be sure about the size. It should not be very small like a box. Or you can custom make according to your space and choice. If you have a pedestal basin in the bathroom, then you should opt for mirrors with storage. because keeping things on the ledge of the basin will make it look cluttered. Or at least go for mirrors with this sort of shelves. Now for storage purpose, you can opt for these types for your space if you want to revamp your existing bathroom or design your new ready-to-occupy flat or house. Make use of the vertical space. The vertical space above the water closet, that is WC, can be used to make storage. We can put shelves over there or even a towel rack. I hope these ideas will help you in designing your bathroom. Do let me know in the comment which idea did you use. If you like the content, then please press the like button and do consider subscribing. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.